bonus reading for March the 8th to March the 9th. Fire signs, your cards are the Seven of Wands, the High Priestess, and the Three of Cups. So ang nakikita natin dito, fire signs medyo, I feel like nagmo-move na si person pero yung movement na ito is energetic. Nauna si energetic rather than the actual, no, the physical movement. Parang sa kanya siguro nagsisimula na siyang magplano, how to get near you, lalo na kung nagkaroon kayo ng challenges or misunderstanding. Nagpaplano na siya kung paano bumalik, no, sa buhay mo, paano humingi ng tawad. Siyempre itong planong 'to, I think that your person wants to make sure na if I'm going to do it, I am going to win. I am going to be forgiven. So hindi lang ito basta for the sake of I'm doing it, 'no? Kasi, parang ilalaan din nito yung effort niya, 'no? So makikita mo pa rin dito that your person, still wanted to be with you, 'no, na meron kayong nandun pa rin yung init, nandun pa rin yung love, nandun pa din itong kanyang care dito sa inyong relationship. So this is your bonus reading for March the 8th to March the 9th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.